There they are. So you got a bunch of deer on your left. They didn't even look. I mean, I don't know. You got a bunch of deer. You just walked past a bunch of deer. Didn't see them. I thought they were deer about to. I thought they were bucks at first. All right. Yeah. Everywhere I go, I guess I scare people. I don't. I just can't. All right. I'm gonna go down here and do some stretching on the bars. I wonder if I can walk up to these deer first. Let's see if we can walk up to. Morning, people with really round heads. Let's see if we can get up close to these deer. Let's see. Yeah. They come out in this park. They're all over the place. I don't know what they eat, but they feast. Every night they're feasting. Oh, yeah. Look at them on down here, too. Whoop, stomping now. I want to fight a bunch of deer. There's like 7 of them or something. 7 or 8 of them. Let's go back over to the exercise program thing here. Hold on. Oh, they are still there. They are still there. So that's where we were. We were over here looking down there, and now we're over here. All right, let's go. They're getting too freaked out. Let's go over to the exercise thing here. It's beautiful here. Beautiful. Yep. There they go. There they are. Yep. Let's get over here. Oh, I got to get the bells in. Snow is less deep today. Yeah. Okay. Keep this hooked up. Here we go. Same old, same old. A little wet. It's drizzling. Yes, it's wet. I'm not going to do any more since it's wet. Hard to do. It's really hard to do with the gear on, all the gear, the layers. do some short dips. Oh, the snow is almost gone. So what we got here. Man, that is tough after doing that. Let's just go down a little bit. Oh yeah. That was a deep one. Alright. So I wanted to do one deep one. I don't know. You hear that? Whoa. Sounds like some cats or something back there. You hear that? Something's fighting back there. Go! Wow! Wow! hoo, hoo. Hoo, 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 hoo. I don't know what they were. Someone else might know. Sound like two animals were fighting back there. All right. All right. I'll do a few more of these. Yeah. Someone there. All right, let me see. Oh, come on, don't do this to me. What's going on here? Come on. Why isn't it focusing? Wide grip and we're done for the night. Not my best performance, but it was a long day. Let's see if I can do some of these. Let's see. I'll do this here. Let's do this here. And we'll just call it a night. Close up, finish up with these snow push-ups. Come on. I'll have to put this whole thing in fast motion if I do put it up. Yep, they're at it again. here. Up to the chin. Well, I gotta stretch it out with the old, if I can get it, stretch it out with the old pull-ups. Here it goes. One more. Just exercising. There's two wild animals. Oh yeah, you heard them. Are they coyotes or foxes, do you think?
I think a fox yelling and...
Or are they cats?
That's a bird or a cat. When I was up in the path, I could hear it.
Oh, were you on that path or up at the lighted path? Oh.
I was all the way up the lighted path.
Yeah, yeah.
I could hear a fox or a coyote.
That's what I think.
And then right here sounds like a bird or a deer. Like...
It sounds like a combination. They've been doing it for 10 minutes.
Yeah. I don't know if he's stuck or if something's getting him.
That's what I thought. If it's a bird, I felt like it's stuck somewhere. I'm going to walk past that path.
I had boots, I'd walk it down.
Yeah, he heard it too. I'm going to go down this path here. It's not the same noise that I heard the other day. That was a mechanical sounding chirping. This, let's see if I turn the light on. It sounds like he said, it could be a bird stuck. I'm thinking it could be anything stuck. It got quiet. It starts up again. Yeah, it did. It just started up again. It's on this side of the stream. We were just right over there. This is streaming, I think. It's right about down in here from where we were there. I don't hear it now. Just gonna walk a little further and I'm gonna turn back. I don't have no spray with me. Well, we're at the water supply. And it runs under here and meets this one. Wow. Right over here. Should be straight across from here. Let's just take a look off of here without dropping the phone. Okay. Look at the stream without falling in. There's the stream down there. Oh, let's head back. Pretty shot. Alright, heading back. And this one wraps around this way. Pretty being out at night. Alright, let's go.